Hello mga ka-food hacks, samahan niyo ako with my chicken wings cravings. So we're here at Felmon's Place, located at General Kalentong, Mandaluyong City, at tapat lamang ng Caltex and Mercury Drug. We are going to visit the Wingfinity and Beyond that is offering unlimited chicken wings. Akit lang kayo sa second floor, then makikita nyo na kagad yung restaurant. It has a great ambience, maluwang, and maraming seats na available. You have two options, $3.49 for the regular flavors and $3.99 for the premium flavors. So for the first set, you can choose 4 flavors: pasta, rice, nachos, fries, whatever you like. You can order from them. So we tried the sriracha mayo, garlic parmesan, hickory barbecue, and buffalo wings flavor. We also ordered their creamy carbonara, the Pinoy style spaghetti,
Uy, init pa.
so na-enjoy ko nga yung creamy carbonara. One plate is actually good for 2 persons na. We haven't tried the nachos kasi baka di na namin maubos. Marami kasi talaga yung serving nila. They have a leftover charge, so enough lang dapat ang orderin nyo. I wish more juicy pa sana yung wings, but then, sakto lang for its price. Natuwa lang ako rito kasi meron palang designated na lalagyan for the bones. So, it's more sanitary for me, which I like talaga. So, kung malapit ka lang sa Kalentong, visit them at Felmon's Place, grab your food trip buddy para samahan kang masatisfy ang food cravings mo. So, yun lang for Wingfinity!